for today's video, I am going to discuss about limit rules. Here are some of the general limit rules. With limit as x approaches to c, f of x is equal to L, and limit of function g of x as x approaches to c. Sum rule. The limit of the sum of two functions is the sum of their limits. And the difference rule. The limit of the difference of two functions is the difference of their limits. And the product rule. The limits of a product of two functions is the product of their limits. Constant multiple rule. The limits of a constant times a function is the constant times the limit of the function. Quotient rule. The limit of a quotient of two functions is the quotient of their limits, provided the limit of the denominator is not 0. Limit rule examples. Find the following limits using the above limit rules. Limit of function x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3 as x approaches to c equals limit of function x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3 as x approaches to c. So, equals c cubed plus 4c squared minus 3. Number 2, limit of function 4 to the x to the fourth plus x squared minus 1 over x squared plus 5 as x approaches to c equals limit of function x to the fourth plus x squared minus 1 over limit of function x squared plus 5 as x approaches to c. So, limit of a function x squared plus x squared minus 1 over limit of function x squared plus 5 as x approaches to c equals c to the fourth plus c squared minus 1 over c squared plus 5. So, limit of a function x squared plus x to the fourth plus x squared minus 1 over x squared plus 5 equals, as x approaches to 1, equals limit of function x squared plus x to the fourth plus x squared minus 1 over x squared plus 5 as x approaches to 1. So, the answer is 1 to the fourth power plus 1 square minus 1 over 1 square plus 5 equals 1 over 6. So, that's all.